Perfect for enhancing teaching, our visualizers can be used for a whole range of activities across the curriculum. Use the camera to show intricate details of small objects or model an activity, so the class can see clearly from their desks, rather than having to crowd around to see what you're doing. Perfect for activities like using a protractor correctly, teaching an art or craft technique, or conducting a science experiment. They're also a great way to model writing and share and amplify texts for everyone to see and read as a class, or work through maths problems together. They can even be used to create animations. The possibilities are endless. The visualizer is also compatible with Zoom and Google Hangouts, making remote learning so much easier. The visualizer has a flexible gooseneck and an autofocus HD 5 or 10 megapixel sensor. The choice is yours.